يا أندراسيس.
This is biggest snow column in the world. Very big snow column. 134 columns. So when you go inside, you'll see it better.
You can see the cartouche there. That's the same. That's the same. A large and why wow. Look at the sun. How large they named the sun in the middle of the cartouche. How big the sun is in the middle of all of them. You can see their names are very clear. The cartouche is the shape. They put the names inside. They cannot just write the name of the king. They have to put the name inside that shape. Still, till this time, we put our name at this shape, at this figure, to separate the name from the rest of the text. Like let's read, like behind Royal. So that's the figure that we made. And he called it the cartoon. That was invented and made by the family of the ancient time. All the colors that you can see them above your head, you can see them on the top of that roof. You see that on the top? Those are the original colors. Please, all those colors are original. We never repaint them. We never made any addition or we try to change the same colors that we have. Because you will ask that question all the time. Is it the real colors? Is it since that time? Yes, it was since that time and still exists. So what happened to the rest? Those pillars, this place were very close to the Nile, and the Nile was flooded every year twice. So the mud and the water destroyed most of the pillars, or actually covering all those pillars, but the part which is away from the sun, which is not exposed to the sun, which is that ceiling, is protected because of the way it's put under the curves, like those, for example. You see them on the cartouche or on the roofs. So it's more protected than the others. Well, that's the key. That's the life called the life key. That's called the life key. That's the bee. The bee and the honey. The bee, because of the honey, and the milk, both are the food of the new young pharaoh. So they had to feed them with the honey and milk. They make them go together. So they get the bee, and they call it the lady, because the honey is like the milk that the mom gives to the boy, and without it he will never live. So the source of life is the honey. The source of life is the lady, the mother, that it gives that life to the baby. And that key, which is what the mind of that one, I'll show you what exactly that means. This one. That's the delta area. That's the delta And that's the Nile. And that's the Mediterranean Sea. Here's the Red Sea, right there, this place. Egypt was always divided into upper and lower. And a king for upper and another king for lower. One of them usually is more stronger than the other one. So one will have the upper hand and the other one is going to be assistant for this king over the other. The one always have the power was the one which is at deep upper or lower.
Lower.
Upper. Upper always have the upper hand, always have the power. Always the lower. Were divided into two main parts. One to the north and one to the south. So it was divided from this part. Like it. A king could control that part and the other one controlled the west. That's the separation. Upper and lower Egypt. That's the delta. Egypt and look at it. It's worth nothing. No one. That's what God gives you. 5,000 years ago. This figure on the middle, you see him with the hand of the king? You see it or not? So he's carrying this, and you will find it everywhere. The king has to carry hide, alive. I protect your life. I preserve the water. I keep the water clean. I watch the water not to be polluted by the people. Protected, respected by me. So the power of the king always measured is how he protects the water for his people. How he gets that water clean for them to be heated. You can see people, that one's great. Law of God direction. Do you see it? It's in his hand, in his left hand. The light key is his hand. So I give the light that it is, I give the key. That's the key. That's the power there. The more, when I give you the time, the more you go further to the left and right sides, especially to the left side, you will see amazing colors above your head. But then, only when I give you the time for me, to take photos. So if you want to take more beautiful photos to the colors on the top, don't forget, at this hyperstyle wall, the colors, all of them are natural. It was components they get from the mountains.